Hi girls, welcome to our math revision. This is math grade 3 final revision sheet presented by your teacher Mrs. Hadir. So, let's start with the first page. Don't forget to print these worksheets, write your names and start solving. The first page, we have a question that says find the perimeter. Remember, perimeter is distance around the shape. So what you're gonna do is add those numbers together. So it will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12 centimeters. Next question. We have here this trapezoid. Find the perimeter. Just add 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. Which equals, you just add those numbers together. 4 and 4 is 8, 10, 15, 15, and don't forget to add the centimeters. Finally, we have this pentagon. Just add 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3, which is, those are 7, 7 and 7 is 14, 14 plus 2 plus 3 is 17 centimeters. So this is how to do it. Just add the numbers or add the length of the sides together. Now look at the second question. The perimeter of each figure is 48. Each figure has a perimeter of 48, which means that, yes, here we have 15, of course, because this side is 15 in a rectangle, this side is 15. Well, 15 and 15, and I do not know what are the lengths of those two sides. So I will say, since they said it's 48, which is the perimeter, will equal 15 plus 15 plus the width, I don't know what is the width, plus the other side of the width, this side plus this side. Okay, equals 15 plus 15 is 30. So this is 30. 30 plus W plus W equals what? 48. So 30 plus something will give you 48. What would this thing be? Yes, so you will say that it is, yes, you will say that, okay, 30, I know that 30 plus 18 equals 48. 30 plus 18 equals 48. So W plus W equals 18. What is the number that you will add it to itself, double it, you will get 18. Yes, so W is 9. So since then, you will say that the length of the unknown side, which is the width, equals 9. So this is how to find it. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question 2. Here we have, okay, what plus what plus, sorry, here, okay, here we go. You will ask yourself, 12 plus 20 plus something will give you 48. So 12 plus 10 plus 20, sorry, 12 plus 20 equals, yes, 32. 32 plus something will give you 48. So what would this thing be? Yes, 2 plus what is 8? 2 plus 6. And 3 plus what equals 4? Yes, it is 6. So this unknown length is 16 inches. 32 plus what will give you 48? Yes, it is 16. So you would write here that it is 16. inch. Question 3. What plus 13 plus 12 plus 12 will give you 48? Well, where did I get the 48 from? It is written in the question. Just to remember this. So you will say here, well, 12 plus 13 plus something will give me 48. I'm gonna add those numbers together. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 and 13 is 37. 37 plus something will give me 48. So what this thing will be? Yes, it is 11. So the answer is 11 inches. Okay, this is how to find it. Okay, let's go to the second question. Find the area and perimeter of each figure. Okay, they need the area and the perimeter, so here we go. To find the area, you will count how many tiles inside, or you can partition it to two figures, figure A and figure B. Okay, here's the figure B. Okay, here's figure B. So this is how to find the area. Just partition it into two figures. This is one figure and this is the other one. Then just find the area. Okay, and to find the perimeter, just count up how many units are they. So count here 1, 2. This is the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Yes, we're done. 36 units. For the area, you just count how many are there here. There we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side is 5. 1, 2, 3. This side is 3. So the first figure has the area of 3 times 5, which is 15. Plus what? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here I have 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So you just add 36 plus 15 is, you add only 6 plus 5 is 11. 1, regroup the 1 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 51 square units. What about this shape? Well, when you want to count or calculate the perimeter, you will just add the units here. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Remember not to remove your pencil. Keep going. I forgot, was it 15? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, it is 18. So the perimeter is 18 centimeters or units, sorry. And the area after counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You just count the squares inside, you'll get 14. Okay, now go to the next page, page 3. Find the area and the perimeter of each figure. Okay, this side is 10 also. This side is 5. The perimeter is adding 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10 will give you 30 centimeters. For the area, you will say 5 times 10 equals Yes, 50 square centimeters. Excellent. The perimeter of this shape, you will add 10. Let's do it together. Come on, say 10 plus 7 plus 7 again plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 equals 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are 10. 10, 10, 10. They are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So the answer is 34. For the area, yes, you have to partition the shape. Okay, this side here is a 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Here we have 7 times 7. You will not use the 10 because the 10 is all this side. And I need only from here to here, which is 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 9 is 58. So this is the area of the shape. Now go to the next question. Problem solving. Madison is painting a picture. She has two canvases she can use. The first has the height of 8 inches and the width of 9 inches. So the first one has the length, the height of 8 and the width of 9. The second canvas has the height of 7. Okay. The second one has the height of 7 and the width of 10. Which has a greatest area? Show your work. Well, let's call this canvas canvas A and let's call this canvas canvas B. Then calculate the area. Well, area of canvas A equals 8 times 7 equals, 8 times 9 equals, 9 equals 72. And the area of canvas B equals 7 times 10, which equals 70 inches, square inches, square inches, and here you have to say square inches. So who is bigger? Yes, so canvas A is or has greater area than canvas B. Okay? Now let's go to question B. Kevin is tiling a bathroom with an area of 48 square units. The length of the bathroom is 7 units. What is the width of the bathroom? Well, he's asking about the width. Since the length is 8, what is the width? I didn't know. Since all of the area is 48, well, what you're gonna say here is, well, 8 times something will give me 48, so the width is 6 square units. Okay, so let's complete down there. We have this question here. Answer the questions using the figures on the right. Well, come on here. here we have, I will zoom it in so we can have all the questions together. Okay, area of figure 1 is how many square units? Area of figure 1 is, so the area of figure 1, by counting the tiles here, you will get 20. The perimeter of figure 1, after you count all these units here, you will find that it is 21. The area of figure 2 is 14. The perimeter by counting all the units is 18. The area of figure 3 here is 16, and the area and the perimeter is 16. The area of figure 4 is 2 square units, and the perimeter of figure 4 is 6 units. Now write the numbers of the figures in order from least to greatest area. Order from least area to greatest area. And here write the number of figures in order from least perimeter to greatest perimeter. Let's go now to the next question. Now question B. Draw each figure and find the perimeter or area. Draw a rectangle with an area of 15 square units. What is the perimeter? So we want me to draw a rectangle with an area of 15. So when you think about the area, think what times what will give you 15? Yes, 5 times 3. So you will draw a rectangle. Here we go. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3. What is the perimeter of this shape? Count. Here we have 5, 5, 3, 3. By adding all these sides together, you will get, yes, 16 units. Okay, draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 6 square units. Well, when you think about 6 square units, let's draw it together so we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This shape or this rectangle has a perimeter of 6 units. Okay, what is the area of it? This is 1, this is 2. The area is 2 times 1, which is 2 units, square units. This is for this question. Now let's go to the next page. Draw a circle around the polygons. A circle around the polygons. And okay, I'm gonna remove the filling here. A circle around the polygons and a line under the quadrilaterals and an X over the shapes that are not polygons. Some shapes may be more than one kind. Well, this is interesting. So is this a polygon? Yes, it is. Circle. Is it a quadrilateral? No. Okay. Is this a polygon? No, it is not. So immediately cross it with an X. Is this a polygon? Yes, it is. So circle. Is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it is. So underline also. Is this a Quadrilateral, yes. Underline. Is it a polygon? Yes, it is. So as you can see, all the quadrilaterals are polygons. So this is also a polygon. Is this a polygon? No, it is not, because it has a cross. The line crosses together, so it is not. Okay, what about this one? Yes, it is a polygon, but it is not a quadrilateral. Is this a polygon? No, it is not. An X immediately. And what about this one? Yes, it is a quadrilateral, to underline, and it is a, yes, it is a polygon. Okay, now let's go to the next question here. Write the name of each polygon and the number of sides and angles. Well, this is easy. The name is, yes, parallelogram. Well, how many sides does it have? Yes. How many angles? Yes. Excellent. Next one. This is a hexagon. Sides are, yes. Angles are, amazing. What about the next shape? Question 3. This is called a rectangle. Okay, let me have another box. Okay, how many sides does it have? Yes. And how many angles? Yes. This one is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. Excellent. So now let's go and see another page. Oopsie, we have the answers with us. Come on. Here. List as many attributes as you can to describe each quadrilateral below. Okay, this shape or quadrilateral is a rectangle. The opposite sides are equal and all the angles are right angles. This is a parallelogram. The opposite angles are equal and the opposite sides are equal. This is a trapezoid. It has one pair of parallel sides, one pair only. Okay, and this one has 2 pairs of parallel sides. That rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Question 1. How are parallelograms and rhombuses similar and how are they different? Well, rhombuses and parallelograms are similar, or you can say rhombuses and parallelograms have 2 pairs of parallel sides and the opposite angles are equal. Okay, how are they different? Well, in rhombuses, all sides are equal, but in the parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so here we have this here. Let me go to the question again. Here we go. Yes. So rhombuses and parallelograms have two pairs of parallel sides and the opposite angles are equal. However, in rhombuses all sides are equal, but in parallelograms only the opposite sides are equal. Go to question C now. I am a 2D shape with 4 straight sides. I have only one pair of parallel sides. What am I? Draw the figure in 2 different ways. One pair of parallel sides. Yes, I know it. It's a trapezoid. So write the name of it here. Right, trapezoid. Then draw the figures. He said draw it in 2 different ways. So this is a way here, a big, a short side, a long side, and be careful, they have to be parallel as much as you can. This is the first way to draw it. The second way is to start with a rectangle. Then look, right angle, up, say as this, it will be a rectangle, but when you make it longer, you will have a trapezoid with 2 right angles. Excellent. Let's go to see the second question in the last page. We're almost done. Identify the shapes that are not parallelograms. Explain your reasoning. Is this a parallelogram? Remember, the parallelogram is a shape that has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So just remember 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, does this have 2 shapes of parallel sides? Yes, it has. So it is a parallelogram. Yes. Is this a parallelogram? Yes, it has 2 pairs of parallel sides, so it is a parallelogram. Is this a parallelogram? Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? No. 2 pairs of parallel sides? Yes, this is a pair and this is a pair. So yes. Yes. Excellent about this one. Yes. Is this a parallelogram? Remember, it should have 2 pairs. This one has a pair here, another pair, and another pair. There are 3 pairs. It's not a parallelogram. And finally, this is a parallelogram. So you can just put an X here and an X here. Okay, question B states that, okay, let's go down here. Janet drew a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Draw Janet's shape and name it. I wonder which shape has 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Yes, you're correct. It's a square. So it is a square. Oopsie. Question C. Naji, James, and Jake describe this shape. Naji says it is a rectangle. James says it is a square. And Jack says it is a rhombus. Who is correct? Is it a rectangle? No, because it should have 4 right angles. What about this one? Is it a square? No, all angles and all angles should be equal and all sides should be equal. Is it a rhombus? Well, a rhombus should have all sides are equal. So is any of them correct? No. So neither Naji nor James nor Jake are correct. So who is correct? No one. This shape is called a parallelogram. That's all for our revision sheet.